Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song. What color did it turn his shoes?
Red!
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and singing his song.
I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! He stepped in a large pile of blueberries.
What color did it turn his shoes?
Blue!
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and singing his song.
I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no!
He stepped in a large puddle of
Mud!
What color did it turn his shoes?
Brown!
Did Pete
Cry? Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and
Singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! He stepped in a bucket of water.
and all the brown and all the blue and all the red and all the white washed away. What color were his shoes again?
White.
But now they were.
Wet.
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and
Singing his song. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes.
the moral of the story is no matter what